Chill Wheel 704 Racing in the house. I'm out here, man. Look at this nice El Camino. Nice, baby. Old school, solid, hard. You got the owner right here, Mr. John. Mr. John's gonna be out to one of my shows, just so I want to take some time, you guys, to meet Mr. John. John, tell us about your car.
Well, it's a 78 El Camino, and somewhere along the line, before I picked it up, somebody put a 454 engine into it. So it's got a big block Chevy. It runs pretty good, and I've been doing some work on it, but still got a little bit more to go. Get it back up where I'm satisfied anyway.
Yeah, John, I love that color, that yellow, kind of like bumblebee style. I like that. You stand out. They see you coming down the road.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I get a lot of comments on it.
I bet you do.
Yeah.
I'd love to hear that thing crank up to see what you sound like. Can you crank it up for us? Yeah, old school rims. I like that, man. Looks like the Craig.
Very clean.
The Craig, yeah, that's real nice there. Okay, yeah, oh yeah. Nice, Mr. John. Yes, sir. Okay, all right. Most definitely, yeah. That's that real muscle, man. They get you down the track when you put your foot on the gas.
Yeah, sure does. Got to get up and go.
Yeah, okay. Now, how long have you had this bad boy?
Almost a year.
About a year, okay. So you're still tweaking some things, still working on it?
Yep. About a year, and I'm trying to do little touch-ups here and there, and kind of bring it up to show quality more.
Oh yeah, okay. Hey.
But mostly it was already there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like the old school look. I like the rims, man. The yellow stands out. It's a nice looking car, John. I appreciate you taking some time to speak with me today. Okay?
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir. You're welcome, boss.